Fuck it, check me out. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this set?
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What's up? Today, I'm gonna be doing a little show and tell. I have deplorable spending habits, so I'm out here just spending money. First, I'm gonna start with the jewelry that I got. So if you're not into jewelry, here's a timestamp. You can see it to close. My jewelry collection slaps, okay? My jewelry collection slaps, period. That's that on that. Shein is my favorite place to shop, like in general, just in the whole world. So of course, I picked up some earrings because I collect earrings. This first one is like the boring, the basic stuff. I just needed more stud earrings. I think this was maybe $2. It won't focus. This pack of stud earrings was maybe like $2 at the most. It won't focus, but like it's just a bunch of studs. One's missing because they're in my bathroom. But yeah. Next pair of earrings I got from Shein are these cute little rainbows. They are like kind of childish. They're kind of childish, but I love them. Ooh. Next pair of earrings I got from Shein are these little rain cloud earrings. These little rain clouds. Like I said, I collect funky earrings, so this went super good with my collection. And all the earrings on Shein are so cheap. It's like, why wouldn't I get them? I got these little zipper earrings. These are dope. As soon as I saw these, I was like, yeah, I need that in my collection. Also, ignore my crusty nails. I need to go get them done. But yeah, these zipper earrings, so cute, so cool. And lastly, my favorite earrings that I got from Shein, this dangly, like, crystally butterfly. It's just beautiful. I love the way that it looks in my ear. I love the way they look in my hand. I love the way they look. So, yeah. Oh, I said last. I lied. I got these chunky textured hoop earrings. I don't know, they just look really dope on, oh my god, they're so cute. That was actually the last pair of earrings that I got at Shein. Now we're moving on to Aliexpress. I got a bunch of like chunky rings. I've been obsessed with chunky rings lately, and they're like so in. I've always really loved the look of them, but they're just like so in lately. I've been obsessed, in love. I want them all over all of my fingers. Like if I could, I would just walk around like this all day. I do, actually. I'm saying if I could, but like, these are the rings that I'm wearing today. Like, it's not even that far off. I always have a lot of jewelry. These are all from Aliexpress. I have this one that I'm wearing here. Let me take it off. Well, these two that I'm wearing. So I've got these two from Ali. And I don't think I paid more than like $4 for any of them. And they're stainless steel, so they're not gonna turn. They're not gonna turn your finger green. They won't change color or anything. And then I got this like super unique one. And then I got this one. And I love like the square cut on this one. And I also love how unique and like chunky this one is. It's so dope. That's all the jewelry that I got. Now let's move into the part that everyone's probably waiting for, the clothing haul. All right, I'm gonna start with these like outerwear pieces I got. All three of the outerwear pieces are from Rainbow. Obsessed, so cute. This is the first one I got. It was like $10. And it's just this teddy material, long like outerwear jacket. Oh my god, I'm obsessed, like literally obsessed. When I first got this, I wore it for maybe 3 days straight, like obsessed. So cute, in love. The thing is though, you have to layer with this because like it ain't gonna keep you warm. It's just cute and it's just like in season, so you'll have to layer with it, but it's mad cute. I love it. And then I have two of the same jackets, but in different colors. And these actually will keep you kind of warm. Same teddy material. And I think these were definitely less than $15, which is why I got them both in the same color. I was like, oh yeah, that's coming home with me. And I just feel luxurious. I don't even know like what other words to describe it. I feel like regal in it. I feel like, look, and it makes you want to like put it on fancy, like, oh my, the white one really does something to me. I love them both. The black one I wear more because it matches with more stuff, but the white one, next, I got some jeans, okay? I got some jeans. I went jean shopping because like, You guys had saw me purge on my pants a few videos ago, and like I just needed more jeans because jeans fit me funny because I have a big booty, medium thighs, no waist, and then everything like upper thigh and down, super skinny, and my legs are long. Even though they're not even that long, I can never find pants that are long enough, so jeans always fit me stupid. But I found a pair that I'm obsessed with. These don't even go all the way down the way that I want them to, but that's okay because I love them. These are by YMI, and I've been seeing a lot about their jeans lately. Like I know like Nazanin Kavari was like promoting their jeans, and other people too, but I just remember Nazanin. Are you dumb? Do you see that? Are y'all dumb? I feel like I can conquer the world in these pants. These jeans are not as long as I want them to be because I wanted pairs, like my new pair of jeans to go all the way down to my ankle, and these don't. But that's okay. And you know what? I really don't like high-waisted jeans, and these are not high-waisted, but they come up pretty high, but that's okay because they're the perfect color, they have the perfect amount of rip, and the way that they fit me makes me feel like a new person. I am in consideration of only buying my jeans from YMI at this point. Now these bad boys, these come down to the right length. These come down right where I want them. Oh, it looks stupid because my leg is up like that, but I promise they don't look like that. These come down as low as I want them, and my butt looks good in these too. Not as good as the first ones. I know, I'm trying, but still looks good. Okay, I also got this hoodie. Let me tell you guys the story behind this hoodie, okay? So I went shopping at H&M, and I also have some clothes from H&M to show you guys, but I'll get there after this stuff. I found this color hoodie at H&M for $20, and y'all, I'm cheap. Like I shop a lot, but I actually am really cheap. And so I was like, I'm not sure I'm paying $20 for just a hoodie. I don't think that's gonna happen, and it didn't happen. And then later on, I go to Burlington and I find this for $8. Literally the same exact color. Literally madness. See, this is so good. This is so good. This is my first time trying this on. Look, we're experiencing new things together. We're both experiencing me trying this on for the first time together. I love this channel. This is so cute. Wow. I mean, I knew it would be. It's a hoodie. It's a little bit baggy, and it's the exact color that I wanted. I knew it would be, but wow. I'm so happy I found this. I got so lucky. The law of attraction is real. Okay, I got another pair of jeans. Let's try them on. These are medium wash because I already have one solid pair of dark wash jeans, and I don't really like dark wash jeans, so like you couldn't pay me to get another pair, but I needed one solid pair of medium wash. So let's put these bad boys on. Also, I didn't try these on when I bought them either. I just bought them. So that'll be fun. Oh man. Okay. Well, they fit my body, but they do that weird thing at the bottom. You see that? You see the problem? They like flare out at the bottom. I hate it. I hate that. I mean, they fit. They fit. Can't have everything, right? And then the last few H&M items are like, this is like a TMI haul now. You know what I mean? I love those. Like when people do like Savage X Fenty or like lingerie or like underwear hauls. It's like, yes, so TMI. I'm so into it. Overshare the details of your life on the internet. It sounds like I'm being sarcastic, but I'm not. Like, where's the transparency, people? Okay, so I saw all this on the clearance rack and I went effing nuts. I got 3 booby holders, a black one. The black one would be my favorite if I didn't have, you'll see. This black one, this was like $4. This one is $5. This is my favorite of them because of the color, so cute. Also, if you're wondering, TMI, I'm a 34B, I don't have breasts. This one was $7 and it's white. And isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. And the one thing that I like about when H&M puts like their lounge or like under stuff on clearance is like it's not by size. So like if you want this style, this color, regardless of your size, it's still gonna be like the $5. I really like that. This is a 3-pack for $3. Are you kidding me?
I know you wanna, girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh.